artists, and welcome back to MR.PAINTER. Today, we're going to color a cool convertible car. Get your colored pencils ready, and let's ride into the world of art. Let's start with the car's body. I'm choosing a shiny blue, but you can pick your favorite color. You can even use two colors to make it look super cool. Look at those curves. Don't forget like my video and subscribe my channel. What about you, my friend? Do you love drawing? Do you want to draw? Let me know in the comments. For the windows and windshield, light blue with a bit of white shine to make it look like glass. Convertible cars don't have roofs, so the sky is the limit. Let's not forget the little details, like the headlights tail lights, and door handles. I'm adding red for the front lights and red for the back. Time for the wheels. We need a strong black tires. Let's make them round and awesome. And we're done! Our convertible car looks amazing! You did an awesome job today! Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Mr. Painter. See you next time. Vroom, vroom, bye-bye.